Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the attachments on your Bosch Easy Shear. So it's nice and easy to do. When you're doing this, make sure you don't press in on the button and down on the trigger. So we're going to be taking off this attachment and we're going to be putting this one on here. I've kept the little covers on just for safety. So if you have a look at the bottom here, we have this black plastic thing, and also we have a little arrow here and we have a little line here. Also on this side you can see an arrow and a line. We need to push down on here, and you can see there's an arrow pointing in this way. So you need to press down and then you need to push down on the black plastic thing until the arrow lines up with this. That will allow you then to take off the black plastic thing. You can then remove this like so. So you're going to be tilting it this way and out. And then we're going to be putting in this one. This part here needs to go in this part here. You can't put it in the wrong way because there's a little cutout just here, and that cutout there lines up with here. So if you try to put it in wrong, it's not going to let you. So we're going to be putting in there like so, and it's like that. When you use it, that will go flat. It's because it hasn't lined itself up properly yet, but you don't need to worry about that. We need to line up these lines here with the arrows. So we're going to be pushing it in here like that. So the line lines up with the arrow. And then you're going to be pushing it forward. And it clicks into place like so. And you can see it's now locked. And now that will be working. So you can take that off there. So that's it. That's how to change out the blades on your Bosch Easy Shear. Thanks for watching.